Welcome Sunset Motors. My name is Frank Gerard. We're located in West Tennessee. It's a sharp 2015 Ford F250 crew cab diesel. This one has a Lariat package loaded with just about every option. It's got nice silver metallic, two-tone bottom paint, FX4 off-road package. You got your towing package, backup camera, backup sensors. Get the nice sprayed in bed liner. It's got the steps that come out of the tailgate. Some nice 20-inch chrome wheels with some Toyo tires. Got tinted windows, running boards, automatic headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, nice chrome grille. It's got a neat feature called remote engine start. You just lock it, push this button twice, cranks right up. It's nice in the winter time. You can get the climate control going, get it warmed up. This is a one owner, clean Carfax, non-smoker, Southern truck, no rust. Gets your keypad entry. This one has the optional power heated tow mirrors. They fold in and they also extend. Well, I guess the ignition's got to be on. Let's see. There we go. There we go. The key had to be on, but they go in and out. Got memory seat. It's got the upgraded Sony sound system with the subwoofer. Power windows, locks and mirror. Power seat. Lumbar support. It's got heated and cool seat. Leather's in good shape. Got clean carpets and floor mats. It's only got 73,919 miles. Got all your trip computer, all your information's on the center. Got your cruise control, audio controls on the steering wheels. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual mode and tow mode. This one has a navigation system. A lot of them don't, but this one does. Also, you've got your travel link. We can have the weather, fuel price. It's like having the internet going down the road, basically. Got your backup camera. You got dual automatic climate control, and that's where you control the heated and cool seats. AM, FM, CD, XM satellite, auxiliary input. It's got Bluetooth for your phone and audio streaming. Got a little storage compartment with some more USB and inputs. Got traction control, hill descent assist, shift on the fly forward drive, exhaust brake, which is real good when you want to slow down. Factory trailer brake controller, and you got some auxiliary switch for accessory that you might want to install. Got a 110 outlet, about 4 cup holders. You can take these out and get you some more storage. Real nice deep storage compartment here. I do have the extra key, the owner's manual, original window sticker, about $65,675. So pretty good saving. You got your universal garage door opener. It's got the, whoops, that's the wrong button. Power sliding rear glass, and this one's got defrost too. The other button I just pushed was the sunroof. Nice truck. Very quiet going down the road. It's a nice luxury truck, basically. This one also has the optional rear heated seat. The seats fold up. Got some storage underneath. Got your armrest. Got another outlet. It's got a power seat on the driver's side, on the passenger side too. That's nice. Got the 6.7 liter Power Stroke diesel. Just been serviced. Everything works like it should. Got 2 new batteries. This truck will come with a 3-month, 3,000 mile Powertrain Warranty. I can sell you an extended warranty, but it does come with some kind of warranty. If you're looking for a sharp luxury truck in very good condition, this should do it. To see if this F250 is still for sale, go to my website, sunsetmotors.com. It's on the website, it's for sale. If not, you're too late and it's gone. We do have competitive financing available with low interest rate and good terms. Credit applications on my website. Worldwide shipping is also available. To get a shipping quote, if you have any other question, you can call or text anytime, 731-686-8800. Thank you for watching and come and see us.